The stupid skip. I can't. Gosh. I'd rather watch Rampart eat gum off her first shoe than watch that.
Oh my gosh, dude, this lag is so bad.
There is indeed some prey. I'm drinking my drink.
I suck.
They're rezzing, they're rezzing.
For 200.
I'm healing.
Wow, he sucks. What? What? Was that my nade? What the heck was that? Oh. He sucks. He missed every shot.
Ow.
Well.
Freaking rip that guy. Classic Bangalore move. Oh no.
He's behind this.
Oh my
That was another headshot.
Please!
I can syringe it, it's no big deal. I only have 4 though.
What the? I picked up a sentinel and a freaking Vantage voice line came out of me.
Damn.
Found her.
Ult is up.
Cracked one, burning.
Nice. This is your game. You're getting pushed. One bounced off down here.
Yeah, I know. Caught Mirage. Right here. He's good. Dude, this is so low.
To the left. Oh my goodness. The freaking headshot. Yo, you're kicking ass right now.
Oh my gosh! I've never in my life done this well with a freaking sniper in my whole life.
Moving.
Down dash, down dash. It's just
You're so good. You're so crazy.
Nice.
Oh, you can go for the thing.
Oh! I got it.
Dude, I suck!
Oh, she's so
One.
low.
She's one. Yes.
You know what? Freaking eat it.
Up. Have a run.
Rip.
Okay, we need to go.
They're shooting prowlers over there if you want to go fight them.
Prowler's having major crafting issues, and I am all for it. Echolocation. What the?
Yeah, what the f- What was that? I saw that.
We're fine, right? That's
Yes.
that's not people.
No, that's just us being stupid.
As long as it's just.
Really? Throw the freaking wrecking ball!
Except for a bunch of shield batteries, which I'm not going to complain about.
What are you gonna do? Scan me?
Marking our surroundings.
I have way too much energy for right now.
Alright, I'm jumping out for real now.
Okay. Okay.
Dude, get out of my face.
I got it. I promise.
Also, we're run the wrong way. We need to go this
Oh,
way.
I just got it.
Hi, Mom, if you're watching. Dude, she looks like a frog. Her freaking eyes are like so far apart.
I always thought she looked like a pug or like a bulldog or something.
That's even worse.
I just don't want to say it out loud because it sounds really effed up.
I mean, I just said she looked like a frog.
I'm bad at the brain.
Get wrecked.
Bounced him
Launched him in the air.
And then I just lined up the shot perfectly.
Yeah, you're just like, pull, and then shoot him down like
Literally.
to this path. I don't care.
I'm going center. You can get to us. Do it.
It's okay, they're deaf and blind. Give 1 second.
You want to switch to mobile voice chat so you can run?
I kicked the fan.
Maybe go help.
I'm at 90. I'm at 90. Hold on.
There's 2 of them in here.
I cracked rampart down here. Down her.
Crack Valkyrie, 30 flush on Valkyrie inside.
Oh my gosh, I'm a god.
Good job.
Oh, we're going to Caustic.
Caustics poop fart factory.
The fart factory.
It's too late for this. Man's caustic poopy fart factory.
Fart factory.
I can't even say it with a straight face.
Oh, I'm getting shot at.
What the heck?
That guy's
I got
wild.
beamed.
He's cheating.
It's gotta
There's
be.
no way he's not cheating.
100%.
Oh, I'm absolutely watching him.
What the actual
Did not miss a
crap?
single bullet that entire time.
I
At
mean,
least with
when,
aimbot.
when you get beamed, like,
Oh,
yeah.
my
Oh,
gosh. What?
that's mad hacks,
What
dude.
that actual
That's
F.
wild.
Hip firing
He's not
and
even
just-
ADSing.
No.
Just hit fire.
What the F? What the
Bro.
Wild.
What is this? This is
That's
disgusting.
freaking bullshit.
This is straight up
Yeah, that's how his aim snaps.
disgusting. That's half the lobby right there. Like, basically.
Gosh.
I'm level 420.
I
Where?
don't know if these are the same guys. On the freeway. Go over here.
Oh my gosh. If
down low?
you ever want to see someone who's trash at Apex, just watch me.
26 flush.
What
34
the-
flush right here.
You're actually stupid, Vantage.
Why they got in the
You're
open like
stupid
this?
too. I think I accidentally folded my contact lens. Well,
Okay,
I'm half blind. Ow, this hurts. Okay,
I will drop us.
I got it out of my eye. I'm just playing half blind now. Okay.
above.
You know, for someone who's half blind, I freaking destroyed that team.
Oh!
One. Oh, my hand's flush. Oh my god. Oh, help! Okay, I'm... Okay. Oh my gosh.
Back here, back here. PK.
What? We killed each other!
Trade. Hold on. I'm trying to say something.
There are people. Dude, there are people!
Oh,
Come back in!
yeah. There's a Valk.
Oh my gosh! Yo, Newt's been freaking launch. No!
Is that on purpose?
No! That was completely on accident. I don't even know how I did that. This is big rat.
True. Actually, I'd
Oh
say
my, this?
this is a rat spot.
Ew.
Ain't nobody gets you down here.
And this. Look at this. Look at this.
Ooh, now this is the rat.
Oh my gosh! What is this?
Freaking
Oh
disgusting.
my heck! Inside. Cracked him. Oh!
He's dead.
Oh yeah, he's real dead after that. That would have been my idea. That guy over there, do you see him?
Nah.
Bro. What?
Alright.
Bro. No shields. Well,
Okay.
oh,
That was all you, right?
yep. Okay.